No spot is so dear to my childhood as a little brown church in the vale. No spot is so dear to my childhood as the little brown church in the vale.
When upon life's billows you are tempest-tossed, when you are discouraged thinking all is lost, count your many blessings, name them one by one, and it will surprise